Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautethical. If you're new here, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So hit that subscribe button and also the notifications button next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, without any further ado, let's get right into this video. And this video is a very simple nighttime skincare routine. There are no complicated steps involved whatsoever, and I'm not using tons of products. I'm just going to use 4 products, and you will see that very shortly. But for now, I'm starting off by removing my false lashes. These are the magnetic eyelashes that I was using in between. The magnet has already come off of a couple of parts, so I'm not using these anymore. And then to remove my makeup, I'm using this Bio Almond Oil makeup remover from Beautethical. It is an oil-based remover. I usually prefer using plain coconut oil or olive oil to remove my makeup. I use my fingers. I don't use any cotton pads or makeup wipes generally when I'm doing it off camera. But since I'm doing this on camera, I'm using a cotton pad and I'm using this makeup remover. I find this Beautethical Bio Almond Oil makeup remover to be very good because I normally use oils, as I said earlier, and this is very close to that, and I can remove the toughest of makeup stains from my face using this makeup remover. So this is something that I would highly recommend if you are somebody who faces problems, who faces issue in removing makeup from your face, from your lips, from your eyes, whatever kind of makeup it is. This is a very good makeup remover to consider. If you are someone with very oily skin, you have to make sure that the oil and the makeup is completely gone from your face after you wash it, because if anything remains on the face, it might lead to acne. So make sure that you wash your face really well. So I'm using a wet wipe as of now to just remove whatever oil and makeup is left on my face. You can see that the makeup remover has removed even the toughest stain of lipstick and kajal. So this makeup remover is really good. Since I'm doing this on camera, I'm using a wet wipe to remove all the residue that is still there on the face with respect to lipstick, kajal, oil from the makeup remover, everything. Normally, if I'm not doing this on camera, I do it in the bathroom at the sink and I wash my face thoroughly after using the makeup remover. And then I'm using this Face Glow Exfoliating Face Wash from Iba Halal. This is an exfoliating wash and I would highly recommend an exfoliating face wash at nighttime especially to remove all the dirt, dust, pollution, grime, makeup, oil from the makeup remover, everything very thoroughly. So this face wash I've been using for a while even after this video, and I have to say that I'm not very impressed with this. You can try other exfoliating face washes. Beautethical makes a very good papaya one, so that is something that you can definitely consider. But use an exfoliating face wash if it's possible at night time, because that is something that will really help you clear off your skin before you apply any other product on it, and let your skin rest and breathe throughout the night. And I really take time to massage this into my skin to clear off everything that is there on my face, including the oil that has gone on from the makeup remover. So I massage it gently all over my face and neck for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I wash my face. And if I feel the need to use the wash for a second time, I use it for a second time to remove any residue that is left on my face and neck. And then I'm using this face cream from Fab India. This is a moisturizing cream, and this is the only thing that I'm going to use on my skin. I have decided to allow my skin to breathe a little bit and not use too many products for some time. So this is the only thing that I'm going to take, and I'm going to generously take this product because this is the only thing that's going to go on my skin. I'm going to gently massage this all over my face and neck for a good 2 to 3 minutes, and that is also going to help improve the blood circulation, and it's also going to help the product to get absorbed into the skin much better. And the last thing that I'm going to apply is for the lips. This is the Vanilla Lip Balm from Iba Halal, and this is a beautiful lip balm. It keeps your lips moisturized and hydrated, and it smells heavenly. So I'm going to apply a generous amount of lip balm on my lips, and that is going to be the last step of this very simple nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.